Welcome to SAPPHO and Sweat, a thunderfuck of somatics, athletics, and the burning poetry of SAPPHO. This class is to be done alone in your room. Close the door, put on your best outfit, and get ready. I will guide you through each exercise, letting you know when to begin and end. Feel free to stop or pause at any moment and take care of yourself. Any kind of dramatic antics while performing the exercises is very invited. Closing your eyes or turning up the volume are also great choices during this class. We will sweat, we will dance, we will feel our insides. Get ready for something hot, fresh, and tasty. Best of luck. In this first exercise, we are going to take ourselves to the massage parlor. Begin by warming up your hands, rubbing them together, getting them nice and toasty. Next, we will perform a luxurious massage on all of our tissues, muscles, and bones. We will begin this self-massage at the top of the head. Please bring your hands to the top of the head and follow the instructions as the next song comes on. Begin to move your hands down your neck, down through your torso, up across the arms, just feeling the surfaces of your skin. And continue this gentle touch all the way down to your toes.
I'ma do my thing, no apology.
Feel free to bring that gentle touch into more of a squeezing motion of your muscles.
I don't see nobody else. Excuse me while I feel myself. Excuse me while I feel myself.
Make sure that you touch every inch of your beautiful body.
Look up in the mirror, oh, I'm having visions. Feeling like a million, oh, I can get it.
Slowly begin to bring your self-massage to a gentle close and prepare for the next exercise. The next song will be spent shaking. Any kind of shaking will do. You can shake your hands, you can shake your butt, you can shake your entire body, you can shake on the floor, you can shake while standing. The only rule is, don't stop moving. We are ready for you. Begin your shaking at the sound of the next song.
Ring, make it, ring, girl, make it.
Flow shaking is an excellent place to start.
매주 하는 생각. What if it's just me? 영화 한 편 끝나듯이.
Yeah, that's right. Make it
As real
juicy.
as it can be. 급급했던 기억들은 where I can't just see. 창문 없는 방에.
You can change levels in your shake. You can shake on the floor. You can shake upside down. You can shake with your head or your toes.
Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
When the sweaty walls are banging, I don't fuck with family planning. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. 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 Make it rain, girl, make it rain.
You are doing perfectly.
매주 하는 생각. What if it's just me? 영화 한 편 끝나듯이. As real as it can be. 급급했던 기억들은 where I can't just see. 창문 없는 방에. When I am so free. Mother Russia in my cup, and my glass is fogging up. Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
When the sweaty walls are banging, I don't
Slowly begin to make your shakes smaller and smaller till you come to a stillness. The next exercise will be exercising our rage. We will be punching for 1.5 minutes to the sounds of famous Riot Grrrl band Bikini Kill. You can punch the air, you can punch a pillow, you can use a jab, a hook, or an uppercut. Perhaps you would like to pretend you are metaphorically smashing the patriarchy. On your mark, get set, punch!
Harder, faster, keep it going. You're almost there.
Excellent work, everyone. The next place we are going together is the techno club of your dream. And at this techno club, there are bright flashing lights, dirty floors, and sweaty windows. In this club, we are paying attention to all the miraculous fluids in our body. We have all types of fluids pumping: blood, piss, water, cerebral spinal fluid, the list goes on. And in this dance in your club, imagining that you are fluid and that all of the fluids in your body are continuously moving around, supporting all of your breath and organs.
Now I've come a long way to be here tonight, so let's get our greetings and salutations out of the way right now, shall we?
Yes. Keep those fluids moving. I don't know about you, Miss Kitty, but I feel so much younger.
We will now exit the club and find our way to the floor for some simple strength training. During this strength training, I will be telling you which exercise to be doing, and during the process, we will be intaking the glorious words of the famous poet for whom this class is named after, the one and only SAPPHO. So, first we will begin with a plank. We will be holding this plank for 30 seconds. Eros shook my mind like a mountain wind falling on oak trees. I would not think to touch the sky with 2 arms. Come down from your plank and begin a simple set of bicycle abdominal movements. Not one girl, I think, who looks on the light of the sun will ever have wisdom like this. Who looks on the light of the sun will ever have. Continue to let the archaic words of Sappho strengthen you and fill your bones. Release your abdominal exercises and begin to find yourself doing a series of lunges of your choice. Someone will remember us, I say, even in another time. If not winter, no pain. I bid you sing. You may come down for your lunge and get yourself in a position to do a series of push-ups in the style of your choosing. You may begin. Your beauty, for her dress when you saw it, stirred you and I rejoice. In fact, she once blamed me, Kybrogenia, because I craved this word, I want. Last but not least, find a simple resting position and let the words wash over you like a sandy beach ocean. Not one girl, I think, who looks on the light of the sun will ever have wisdom like this. I would not think to touch the sky with 2 arms. Eros shook my mind like a mountain wind falling on oak trees. Because I prayed this word, I want. Our next exercise is a deep and sensual exploration of the region known as the pelvis. Take your hands and put them on your pelvic bones. Feel the shape of these bones, feel the curves, feel of the tissues that surround your pelvic floor, your pelvic girdle. Breathe. From here, we will begin a dance with our pelvis. I would recommend beginning our dance very slow, moving your pelvis just slightly up and down, around in miniature circles, maybe some pelvic rocks back and forth. You can sit, you can stand, you can be on all floors. This is time for you and your pelvis.
You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high.
You're doing a beautiful job. At this point, I would recommend that you change levels, if you have not already, and finding the glorious spirals that exist in the dance pelvis.
Dolce. Know you want some of this purr. You ain't gotta say a word. Just spark that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth, now I'm all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his trunk. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dang shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could get real used to you. Blow, we X, and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do. Man, this shit these drugs will do to you. Blow, we come pop X, speeding up the heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high.
You are luscious.
You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. 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 You get me so high.
Last but not least, we are going to channel our inner deep femme divination skills and channel the one and only magic of Kate Bush. I'm going to put on a Kate Bush song for you, and I want you to dance your dance, to be your freakiest Kate Bush impersonator. And remember, everything you do is the right thing to do. Good luck.
You had a temper like my jealousy, too hard, too greedy. How could you leave me when I needed to possess you? I hated you.
Perhaps you'd like to imagine that your arms are flying in the wind, or there's a bundle of stars under your feet, or you're like Kate Bush, just forever running up that hill in a giant skirt.
It's me, I can't be, I come home back. So cold, let me alone. Please, please. It's me, I can't be, I come home back. So cold, let me alone. Ooh, it gets dark, it gets lonely on the other side from you. I find a lot, lost to without you. Coming back now, cool heat
And remember, no one's watching. Find your freakiest, witchiest Kate Bush dance and set it free.
coming back to his side to put it right. Coming home to walking through my heart. It's me, I can't be, I come home back. So cold, let me alone. Please, please. It's me, I can't be, I come home back. So cold, let me alone.
Remember to dance with your fingers, your eyes, and your pelvis.
Congratulations! You've made it to the end of this session. Please let us end this moment in stillness. I will play one last song. Find a spot standing, sitting, or laying. Let your body absorb all of the information we just gathered. And a few words from contemporary goddess RuPaul. If you can't love yourself, how the hell you gonna love anybody else?